Hello, everyone. I wanted to inform everyone that there has been some people on Instagram pretending to be me, asking for money. Pure evil, in my opinion. I'm not going to be reaching out to anyone on Instagram to ask for money. I am posting and reposting as much as possible to the proper places you can donate. There are links in my bios, link in the bio where you can pick different ones. But I am not reaching out to anyone asking for money, so please do not send money to these fucked up people. There's so many people are reaching out and sending their love and their prayers and asking where they can help. Right now, Lahaina_Ohana_Venmo is directly delivered to the families in need. I'm really trying to use my platform to get out as much knowledge as I can for everyone. I know there's been a lot of people who have been bummed about me saying Maui is shut. It's been a week. We haven't even found all the bodies. It's pretty horrific. Listen, no one needs to be in West Maui. I'm not going. I'm trying. I want to go so bad, and what I can do is give love, raise money from afar. And right now, I don't even need to be in there. My friends and family are there. So as far as I'm concerned, and I think everyone that I've talked to, West Maui, we can be sending things in to help them and help, like I just said, to these different donations. There is something beautiful happening on Big Island, Oahu. We're going to be, some musicians and artists are getting together, and all the proceeds will be going to these families. I think it'll be happening on the 19th. There's one on the 20th, Maui Ola Foundation, and that'll be on the Big Island, I think, from 10 to 4, and then on Oahu from 5 to later. It's a wonderful way to get together, bring our love together, hug, kiss, share stories, and be together, and not be in the way.
We are here to provide you with the latest information and updates from the county and the state relating to the wildfires throughout Maui.
State website.
So the question is around siren use, clarification on that.
Do you regret not sounding the sirens?
I do not. And the reason why, and
So many people said they could have been saved if they had time to escape.
the sirens, as I had mentioned earlier, is used primarily for tsunamis, and that's the reason why many of them are found, almost all of them are found on the coastline. The public is trained to seek higher ground in the event that the siren is sounded. In fact, on the website of the Hawaii Emergency Management Agency, the following guideline is provided. If you are in a low-lying area near the coastline, evacuate to high grounds. Had we sounded the siren that night, we're afraid that people would have gone Malka. And if that was the case, then they would have gone into the fire. And so that is the reason why our protocol has been to use WEA and EAS. By the way, I should also note that there are no sirens Malka, or on the mountainside where the fire was spreading down. In this case, our internal protocol is to use WEA, which is the Wireless Emergency Alert System, and the EAS, the Emergency Alert System. The WEA sends alerts to by text messages to cellular phones, and the EAS sends messages to both television and radio.
We're performing a comprehensive review to find out what the safest and most effective science-based way it is to protect people. There are a lot of different geographies across our country. Some use sirens, some don't. So I tasked the Attorney General to do that. She's bringing in outside support as well. There's been some question about whether it could be done independently. The answer is yes. She has stated to me from the beginning that that was one of the purposes. She'll, of course, review what she can, but we will bring outside reviewers also. It's not a criminal investigation in any way.
So the question is just around clarifying the body count or the death toll.
Where we are in general, 110 individuals have been confirmed deceased. We'll get some details about this from our distinguished leaders in police and fire.
110 is the number, 38%. is the area searched. We have set up what's called the MINT, the Morgue Investigation and Notification Task Force, with our local and federal agencies, so that we can do these identifications right and proper, that we can use investigative needs and means and measures with our partners, so that we can make sure that we're finding who our loved ones are, and that we make the notifications with dignity and honor.
Hello, Nui. That formally concludes our news conference. I wanted to also...
Está complicando la cosa. Nos vamos para atrás. Vale, espera. Dame las herramientas, amigo. Dame una herramienta.
Porque la línea venía por aquí, no por donde vamos nosotros.
El problema es que hay que rodear toda esa lengua.
Está botando pavesas y se
está botando pavesas justo detrás de nuestra espalda.
La línea iba recta por donde vamos nosotros y está aquí abajo.
Cae material rodante.
Está empezando a rodar, Emilio, detrás de ti.
Y después te tira carrera para arriba.
Y por el rato está cayendo.
Y sigue tirando piña, Dela.
Sí.
Nada, hemos iniciado maniobra, bueno, para reforzar lo que habían hecho los compañeros, pero hemos llegado a un sitio que se había saltado la línea y se está descolgando por una zona de mucho despeñado y aparte mucho material rodante, piñas incandescentes que están bajando y nos pueden provocar problemas de seguridad.
Déjala entonces de momento y empieza a bajar sin herramientas para empezar a recoger tendido.
Como tú sabrás, igual que yo, esta maniobra por cuestión de seguridad no es viable. Está cayendo material rodante, si nos vemos ahí en la zona baja con el escarpado, que es además de la dificultad de acceso que tenemos.
Vamos una moto. Mucho aquí. ¿Cuál quieres? Una herramienta.
Esa firma.
En la línea, la primera referencia es un muro de piedra, ¿vale? Después de eso hay que repasarla, que son un par de metros, como 15. Solo es un poco de repaso. Y 50 metros más adelante ya empezamos línea, ¿vale?
De acuerdo.
Hay tendido manguera, está Emilio abajo, vamos accediendo poco a poco. La moto delante, ¿vale? Y los demás seguimos entrando.